Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to unblock someone on Facebook using the mobile app. Whether you've had a change of heart or simply blocked someone by mistake, this guide will help you reconnect with ease. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once the app is loaded, look for the menu icon. On Android devices, it's located in the top right corner, and on iPhones, you'll find it in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to proceed. Next, scroll down through the menu options until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the submenu. From there, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find an option labeled Blocking. This is where Facebook keeps a list of all the users you've blocked. Tap on Blocking to open it. Now, you'll see a list of all the people you've blocked on Facebook. Scroll through the list and locate the person you want to unblock. Once you've found their name, tap on the Unblock button next to it. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure about unblocking this person. Confirm your decision by tapping Unblock again. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked someone on Facebook. Keep in mind that unblocking someone doesn't automatically add them back as a friend. If you want to reconnect further, you'll need to send them a new friend request. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you next time.